We will now talk about the three methods that can be used to start a print. Before starting any print, we will want to make sure that our print bed is properly set up and glued. The first and most convenient method to start your print is via the cloud and using your printer's queue. Once we confirm our printer is ready to print and currently connected to the network, we will simply navigate to our printer's queue. We will select Menu, then Print Queue. You can use this queue to stack multiple print jobs to maximize your printer's bandwidth. We can simply use the arrows to navigate between print jobs. If you only have one print job in the queue, then you simply select that one print job. Once selected, the print job will begin once the nozzles are at proper printing temperature. What about printing to a printer that is offline? If our printer is offline for any reason, we can still start a print as needed. We have two options when it comes to starting a print on a printer that is offline. We can use a USB drive, or we can use our USB-A to USB-B cable. Let's start with printing via a USB drive. We will want to make sure that we save the desired file to the root directory of a FAT32 formatted USB drive. It is important to note that your MFP file cannot be in a folder, and your printer will not recognize file names that are non-standard ASCII characters. Once our print job is properly saved onto our USB drive, we will simply plug it into the USB port on the back of our printer. We will then select Menu, Storage, Print from Storage. From this menu, we will select the print file from the on-screen list and press Print. Now, if you wish to start a print directly from your computer, you will use the USB-A to USB-B cable from the accessory kit to transfer the exported MFP file to the printer as if it were an external drive. Simply connect the USB-A to USB-B cable to the computer containing the MFP file, then connect the other end of the USB-B port to the printer as shown. Note, this is a different USB port than where you use to insert your thumb drive. Now, on the computer, the printer will appear along a list of external drives. Open it in the file system as you would any other thumb drive. Copy that MFP file to the printer, then eject the printer as you would any other USB drive. Now, on the printer's touchscreen, we will select Menu, Storage, Print from Storage. We will then select the print file we just transferred to the printer and hit Print. Markforged printers do not recognize encrypted devices. If the Print from Storage tile is grayed out, consult your IT department to ensure that the USB drive or computer and its contents are not encrypted. There is also a shortcut that can be used when using a USB drive. Once the printer recognizes the USB drive, you will notice a small USB icon on the top banner of the UI. Simply press this icon and it will take you directly to the storage submenu.